Hi kids! Today we're learning about colorful and healthy vegetables. Let's go! It's a tomato. Tomato. This is a carrot. Carrot. It's a broccoli. Broccoli. This is a cucumber. Cucumber. It's a vegetable. Vegetable. It's a lettuce. Lettuce. This is a onion. Onion. It's a eggplant. Eggplant. This is a zucchini. Zucchini. It's a beetroot. Beetroot. This is a spinach. Spinach. It's a egg. Egg. This is a corn. Corn. It's a radish. Radish. It's a pumpkin. Pumpkin. It's a garlic. Garlic. This is a watercress. Watercress. It's a fennel. Fennel. This is a celery. Celery. It's a mushroom. Mushroom. It's a chard. Chard. It's a kale. Kale. It's a rhubarb. Rhubarb. This is a cabbage. Cabbage. This is a asparagus. Asparagus. It's a bok choy. Bok choy. This is a Brussels sprout. Brussels sprout. It's a parsnip. Parsnip. This is a potato. Potato. It's a butternut squash. Butternut squash.